here we are, 154 Windham Road here in Windham, Connecticut. We've got the ball fields right there. We've got Willimantic right there, the Route 32. Inviting front porch on this home. This home was actually built in 1929, and it is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home that is really move-in ready. Nice brand new roof, architectural shingles right there. The backyard is something that's special, and I'm just going to take a quick peek back there for you. We've got a freshly paved driveway. Since the sellers had purchased, they did the new roof, they did the new driveway. Rear entrance right here for this parking area. That area we're going to see goes right into the kitchen. But there's a little spot back here that I want to share with you. And let's take a peek back here. The little pavilion building right here, to me, strikes me as a special spot, something unique. It's got all of the little fieldstone construction on it. And it's even got the little outdoor fireplace. So kind of a cool spot that we'd start this tour out with. This home is 1,778 square feet. The taxes on this home are $4,945. We are situated on 0.29 acres, and on that the $4,945, that includes your sewer bill. So that's kind of nice. You have sewer and your taxes built together. But we're going to jump right on the inside of the home right now. This has a master bedroom first floor, so if you are looking for an in-law component, this might be the home for you. Here's my view of the street. And as I come in, one of the things that you'll really notice quickly is the old world carpentry and millwork. You've got great size moldings right here. We've got very large casings. And when you come into the family room, here's my family room view. Master suite is right there on the first floor. So that's what I'm saying in terms of your potential for in-law. If you need that, maybe that's where the in-laws would go. But I've got real hardwood right here. I switch over to a modern laminate in the kitchen. Nice covered entry right there, covered porch. So beautiful kitchen. I've got excellent ceiling height right here. Behind these two doors, I've got a washer dryer combo. Plenty of storage right there. But my kitchen, we've got the granite countertops, sub-white tile backsplash, beautiful faucet, range hood, gas-fired range, modern refrig. Love the refrigerator being kicked over by this utility cabinet. The utility cabinet knocks the edge of the refrigerator over so that this door will swing all the way open. One other thing that's happened here is they've got updated modern vinyl windows. That's been done for you, so it's really move-in ready. Here's my half bath, pavilion building there in the back. Here's our side entry right here. That side entry has got the quick, convenient access to the rear parking area. So working our way back to the first floor master or primary bedroom, as we now call it. This room right here, plenty of ceiling height, nice smooth ceilings that are in great shape. Reach-in closet right here. The other side of that wall is the foyer. I like this little dresser nook. Hardwood floors in this master, but this is a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. We've got the sub-white tile with the acrylic receptor, and the dimensions of that are 5 foot wide by 3 foot deep or 32 inches. Tiled floor. We've got the whirlpool tub double vanity right there. Rolling to the upstairs second floor, we've got a full bath and 3 secondary bedrooms in this home. If you need an office and only need a total of 3 bedrooms, maybe you would use the 4th smallest bedroom as a office. Right now it's being used as a gaming room, but this could be a second floor master. We've got a reach-in closet here, reach-in closet there. My second floor full bath. This is a stall shower right here. Single vanity. Coming back up to the second floor hallway. The bedroom number 3. Reach-in closet right there. Looks out to the backyard. And here's my smallest bedroom with a little bit of eave storage right there. This bedroom right here is used as a, obviously, gaming area. Awesome office area. We've got one more level to show you, and that would be the unfinished basement. With this home being built in 1929, it's got the stone and mortar construction. In terms of financing types, this home should be able to get past the VA or FHA financing. The seller was a VA buyer. He's more than happy to share his home inspection with you, but we're modern stone. What's impressive here is the height. The height of this ceiling, it's easily 8 feet, and that's unusual. Most of these homes don't have the height. We've got a modern updated breaker panel right here. The main service, it's a 200 amp service. This is a bulkhead door that goes out to the rear. How's this right here? Mechanicals all done for you. Brand new boiler. Right there. Tankless domestic hot water coming off the boiler. It's oil fired, and you see the tank right there. So that's everything that this home has to offer. You definitely want to get your private showing scheduled as soon as possible. Just give either the listing agent or your favorite agent a holler. This home will definitely not last long. Thank you.